third station. We are continue our assembly drawing from here, as we have drawn our shaft. Now next is our base, or you can say support. So here is the sketch for support. So let's start. Select part and okay. We are drawing in inches, so IPS system, and select front plane sketch. Now next, circle, make a circle in origin. Next you can see I have drawn this circle. Now we have two more circles. One is horizontal, again select circle. One is from horizontal, second is in its vertical. Now press escape, select them and make equal. Okay, now next thing, draw these external lines. Line command, from here to it's a vertical line, then a horizontal line, and a slope. Okay, now smart dimension, it's time to mention dimensions. These holes are of 0.25 dia. It is of 0.25 dia. Okay, this width is 2.50. Select this 2.50. Okay, next is this whole distance 1.25. From here to here is 1.25. Okay, next is from this hole to the wall is 0.375. From hole to here is 0.375. Now you can see it's 0.375, 1.25, 2.5, 1.25. Now next thing, its height is 0.625. This one is of 0.625. And now I'm not mentioning this height, but its whole distance is 1.250 from this hole to origin. What is this? 1.250. 1.250. Okay, now 0.875, here is a distance from origin to the bottom. Smart dimension, I have escaped. From here to here is 0.875. 0.875. Okay, from hole to the bottom distance is 0.8750, 0.625. It's done. Okay, everything is done. Okay, make dimensions out of your sketch. It's okay here, it's okay here, it's okay. Now may extend it. And one more thing, I have to mention its dimension. It's a slope of 45 degree. You can see it's written here, it is of 0.45. So from here to a horizontal line it's 45 degree. Now it's okay. The next thing is I have to draw a circle here and here. So make two circles from any point. I'm going to draw here one circle and here another circle. Okay, and extend this line. Now what we have to do first, from this hole to this topmost circle distance is 0.75. Smart dimension, here and here is 0.75. It's 0.75, yeah. And the circle radius is 0.313. 0.313 radius multiplied by 2 for diameter. Now this is 0.219, center to the left corner 0.219, from here to here 0.219. Don't make mistake in mentioning dimension. Okay, next is the second circle. The second circle is 0.250, below the top circle 0.250. From this circle and this circle the distance is 0.250. Okay, and the circle dimension is its here is radius 0.156, radius 0.516 multiplied by 2, 0.156, it's 0.156 multiplied by 2. It's done. Now one more thing, here is distance, horizontal distance between these both circles 0.250. From here to here is again 0.250. Okay, now it's done. The next thing, we have to just make it tangent, and now the whole working is here. Go to sketch, trim entities. We have to trim, and one more thing, first extend this line and make it tangent here. Okay, go to trim, trim this side, trim this side, trim this one. Okay, I had made a mistake, Control Z. First trim this side, trim. You can see this circle is front is trimmed, so trim this, trim this. Now it's done. The next thing, again go to flit. You can see it's mentioned the flit of 0.01, 0.1. Click on this is 0.1 inches. Okay, and again here is a flit here, so 0.1. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, it's totally done. Next, you can see thickness. You can find thickness by here. It is extruded 0.125, its height, and height and thickness will be same, so 0.125. Features, extrude, and we have to extrude 0.125. Okay, okay. Now you can select this face or this face, any face you can select. Sketch, Control 8, select corner rectangle. From this corner to this edge, smart dimension, its height is 0.125, which we have extruded. Now it is 1 inch, so features, extrude and make 1 inch. Okay, the next thing you can see here is here is mentioned radius 1. The radius means it's a flit, so find the edge, go to flit, select this edge, and 1 inch is by default 1 inch. Okay, now our base is ready, so change its appearance. Okay, first, yeah, now change its appearance. Change this to blue. Okay, it's done. Now save it as it's a support or base. You can okay, support, you can say it a base too. Okay, one more thing I just forget. Again, open, support we have made. There's more things, there's 3 holes here, so we have to do. So for this, select this face, or you can select the upper face, control 8. Now there are 3 holes, 1 2 3. Okay, now select these 3 and make relation equal. Okay, the next thing here is written 6 by 0.25. 6 means these 3 holes and these 3 holes, so it's also 0.25 smart dimension. It is of 0.25. Okay, next thing, 0.375 distance from edge is 0.375. Okay, from here to here is 0.375. Okay, and same distance from here to here, 0.375. It's 0.375. Okay, and its height is 0.375 too. So from here to here is 0.375. You can also mention here, or you can make a relation, but I'm going to mention here 0.375. Okay, the next thing, 0.25 is the height from these 2 circles. So from here to this circle, distance is, height is, you can say its height is 0.12, 0.125. Okay, is 0.125. Okay, the next thing is distance is 1.250 from here to here, 1.250. Okay, now it's in the center. Click here, features, extrude cut, blind, or you can simply through all. Okay, now our base or support is ready. You can see it's ready. Now save it, control S, close, then again new part. Okay, the next thing is we have to draw, we have arm in page number, it's in page number 7. You can see here is this arm which support the shaft. Here is the sketch for arm. So let's start from IPS front plane sketch. First of all, select one circle. We have to draw 1, 2 and 3 circles. Escape, again circle, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle. One more thing, I have just vertical, escape, these 2 are horizontal. Okay, and select these 3 and make it equal. Okay, the next thing, we have 3 more circles. Select circle, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle. Okay, now go to smart dimension, 2.25. From here to here is 2.25. Okay, here to here 1.375. Okay, smart dimension is 1.375. 1.375. Okay, the next is dimensions. This is showing 0.25, 3 circles, so it is of 0.25 dia, and this outer circle is of 0.313 radius. This is of 0.313 by 24 diameter, and this is also the same 0.313 by 2. Now this bottom 0.5 means its dia is 1. Okay, go to line command, make tangents from here to here, from here to here. I'm double clicking, double click will end the line from here to here, then double click from here to tangent and double click. Okay, now trim entities, trim this circle half, this one, this one, this one, and this half circle. Now you can see here is a flit of 0.25 radius, flit this one 0.125, yeah, it's 0.25, it's 0.25. Okay, its thickness is 0.125. Features, extrude 0.125. It's asking me contours, so select this contour. Okay, my arm is ready, just give it some appearance. Okay, it's okay. Now save it as arm, save it. The next thing is '59, and here is, we have done this support, this shaft and this arm. We have remaining components, which is here. First we are going to draw this grip, so let's just start. Part, all working is in IPS. Front plane, center rectangle from origin, and a circle in its this line. Okay, smart dimension 1.375, it is of 1.375. This is 0.75, this side is 0.75. okay, this hole is of 0.312, 0.312. It's at a distance of 0.375. 0.375. It's done. Now its thickness is 0.25. Extrude 0.25. okay, change its appearance. Yeah, okay, save it as its grip. Now grip is done. Next is this pin, its pin A, 0.312. IPS, front plane, smart dimension. This is of 0.312. I have to extrude it 0.375. 0.375, but with mid plane. Keep remember this mid plane. Next, again front plane, sketch one circle. You can simply draw from origin here, or you can select Ctrl 8. Then again its dimension is 0.25. 0.25, and it's going to be extrude up to 0.75, but mid plane. Select mid plane. Okay, it is pin A, so change its appearance. It's okay. Save it as pin A. Now again part, change its IPS. The next is pin B, 0.312, same front, circle, its dimension is 0.312, features extrude and with mid plane, and it's 0.75. Okay, then again it has extended part of 0.25 dia. So select front plane, sketch from origin, it's of 0.25. Okay, features 0.25 and 1.125, its length 1.125, and mid plane. It's done. It's pin B. Save as pin B. Okay, again new part, IPS, and we have to draw these 0.312, 0.312. Okay, and extrude it up to 0.375, 0.375 with mid plane. Okay, again front plane, sketch, circle from origin, or you can circle, or you can select control 8 to make it normal. It is of 0.25, same dia, 0.25, and we have to extrude it 1.125. And with mid plane. Okay, its appearance. First click here and then appearance, and make its appearance. Yeah, it's okay. It's our pin C. So save as pin C. The next thing is hinge. Here is hinge of hinge B. So it's 0.75 dia. IPS, front plane, circle, dia 0.75, and it's 0.75. It extruded up to 0.75 to 0.75 and with mid plane. Okay, the next thing, it has extruded part of 0.25 dia. So again front plane, sketch from origin, 0.25 and 1 inch. So extrude 1 inch and with mid plane 1 inch. Okay, It's done. Now we have to make hole, so select right plane, control 8, select circle. From origin make a circle. Its dimension is 0.375. 0.375. Simply features extrude cut and cut it through all both. Okay, it's done. Change its appearance. It's done. It's hinge B. Save as. Now all parts are made. Next we are going toward assembly drawing.